G'day, Curt from CIGWELD here. Today I've got the CutSkill 35. Let's get unboxing. The CutSkill 35 is the smallest of our CutSkill range that still feature the LCD screen and some of the more pro features that you get with the CutSkill range. The first thing you're going to do when you open it is come across two things. One's your registration card. Worth filling it out. By filling it out, we give you an extra 6 months extended warranty on top of the standard, and you can just do that on our website. The next is the instruction manual. Not only does it have how to set up the machine, it actually has information on how to make cuts, what kind of cuts you can do, lots of good stuff in there. In here, we have your CutSkill torch. Like the other torches with the CutSkill range, the 35, 45, and 60 all come with a 60 amp CutSkill torch in it. This means that the torch is more than capable of handling anything this machine can throw at it, as well as if you end up with a 45 or 60 down the line, the torches are interchangeable because it will handle up to 60 amps, no problem whatsoever. Your next goodie out of the box is your earth clamp. A good, hard, heavy-duty earth clamp. Always make sure when you're cutting that the earth is on a really good, clean bit of the workpiece and not on the piece that's going to fall off after it's been cut. Next, we have the strap. These models are actually not super heavy. You can actually pick them up one-handed and walk them around. However, the shoulder strap does help if you're doing a lot of moving in one day. Next, you get a little baggie of goodies. In here are just a couple of extra cutting tips and consumables worth holding on to. What we recommend is picking out one of our consumables kits. This one specifically is for the 35 and the Easy Cut. This comes with a whole lot of extra consumables, stuff that you're going to burn through over time, as well as a good case to store all your extra little bits. And now, here it is, the CutSkill 35 from CIGWELD. As you can see, has an LCD panel on the front, single knob for control. You got torch input, earth clamp input, can't get them around the wrong way, so that's always nice. On the back, we have a water catcher. This just stops any moisture that's coming through from your compressor and stops them going through the machine and into your cutting tips. We do, however, recommend picking up one of our additional inline filters. The machine itself has a filter in it, which means that it will cut without one. The reason why we recommend this is just to have that little extra peace of mind, stops contaminants getting through and fouling up your cutting tips, makes them last longer. It's well worth the investment. And that's basically it. The CutSkill 35 from CIGWELD. It's the smallest in regards to amperage of the range that have the LCD and the push button controls. However, it's no slouch. It's still going to be up to the task and actually going to be able to handle most things you throw at it, even at an industrial level. If you have any more questions about the 35 or the rest of the range, really, feel free to contact us. You can contact us on Facebook, Instagram, give us a call. We're always happy to help. And thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.